If you work in learning and development, you already know this. Avatars don't replace trainers or instructional designers, but they can be incredibly useful when you need a clear human presence to guide learners, hold attention, and bring more life to training than static slides alone. That's exactly what Pictory is designed to help with. Step 1. Upload your PowerPoint. Inside Pictory, select PowerPoint to video and upload your presentation. Once uploaded, Pictory automatically converts each slide into a video scene. Step 2. Refine the script. One thing to remember is you can use your speaker notes for narration. For L&D teams, this is a big time saver. Here you'll see your presentation in the storyboard editor. This is where you can make quick improvements. Your speaker notes now appear as editable script text. You can clarify phrasing and simplify language before the avatar voice is generated. Step 3. Add an avatar for engagement. An avatar gives learners a face to follow, which often increases engagement and focus compared to slides alone. In Pictory, you can easily change the avatar's appearance and style, voice, tone and accent, and on-screen size and placement. This matters because different training contexts call for different presentations. Step 4. Simplify your production workflow. Many teams rely on tools like Camtasia just to add text overlays or narration. With Pictory, those steps are handled in one place. Script, visuals, voiceover, and avatar are all connected. That means fewer tools, fewer handoffs, and faster production. Step 5. Update training without re-recording. This is one of the biggest pain points in training videos. When content changes, traditional video often means re-recording voiceovers. With Pictory, you simply edit the script text and regenerate the avatar narration. Updating training becomes quick and manageable. Step 6. Share for review before final export. Before you finalize the video, you can share the project with subject matter experts. This makes it easy to gather feedback, validate accuracy, and make adjustments before using your video minutes. It's a smoother, more collaborative review process. If you already build training in PowerPoint, Pictory helps you turn that content into engaging avatar-led video without changing how you design instruction.